If you're looking to enhance your streaming experience on Kodi, Real Debrid is a must-have tool. To get started, you first need to sign up for a Real Debrid account by visiting their website and selecting a subscription plan that suits you. Once you have an account, open Kodi and navigate to the add-on section, selecting the video add-on where you want to integrate Real Debrid. From there, go to the add-on settings and find the Resolver or Universal Resolvers tab, depending on your chosen add-on. Enable Real Debrid and select Authorize My Account, which will display a code on your screen. Visit the Real Debrid activation page on your browser, log in, and enter the code exactly as shown. Once authorized, return to Kodi, and you'll find that Real Debrid links are now available, offering high-quality streams with minimal buffering. To use it, simply search for your desired content within the add-on, and choose a Real Debrid link from the results. These are usually marked with ROAD or labeled as premium. Enjoy faster, more reliable streaming, and remember to always use a VPN to keep your online activities private and secure while using Kodi.